ICE
Editing
orchestrator references
execution
to
engine.
unify. Now remove
Editing
the duplicate
execution
finally
engine.
block recording for children. Now fix the
Reading
trace logging
execution engine.
1E. Still references is orchestrator.
Editing execution engine.
Now let me verify.
Searching
There
for
are no
is
remaining is
orchestrator.
orchestrator references in the file. Good. Also check
Searching
if
for
orchestrator
orchestrator
ID is still imported, but no longer used in the cognitive method. Remove the unused
Editing
import.
execution engine.
One A, 1B, and
Updating task
1E are
list,
done in
16
execution
items.
engine. Pi. Let me mark those and move on. I'll now tackle the remaining items in parallel where possible, delegating the independent work streams. Now let me delegate the independent work streams in
Launching
parallel.
agent.
I'll
1C
handle the
plus
model
2C
slash
plus
loader
2D
slash tools changes,
Pi
2A, and the
Reading
agent
tools.
registry notification changes, 2B, myself, since they're tightly coupled, and delegate the voice service, 1F, compaction visibility,
Editing tools.
3A, and the orchestrator slash tools. Pi changes, 1C, 2C, 2D to agents.
Editing tools. Reading tools. Editing tools. Editing tools. Reading tools. Searching for delegate tool names. Reading tools. Editing tools. Launching agent 1F. Unify voice service. Reading voice service. Editing 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 voice service. Reading voice service. Editing voice service. Reading voice service.
Good. Now let me work on 2A
Launching
notify
agent
parent
3A,
field and
surface
2B
compaction
remove
events,
bridge
reading
injection
bridge.
myself, and delegate 3A compaction and 4A dead budget code.
Finding files matching **/ Claude Bridge. TS. Finding files matching **/ TS. Reading Claude Bridge. Editing events. Editing bridge.
The bridge already
Reading
had
models.
compaction event handling. It was just using event type. Custom, the agent changed it to
Editing
use the
models.
new dedicated event type. And 2B directly. Now add to loader.
Reading loader.
Pi, serialization and deserialization. Add notify
Editing
parent
loader.
to the deserialization and construction.
Editing loader.
Now add it to the agent definition construction. Now add serialization
loader.
and save agent.
Editing loader.
Now I need to add notify parent to the
Launching
create agent
2A,
and update
notify
agent tool
parent and
schemas
tools.
in
Pi.
orchestrator
Reading
/ tools. Pi. The delegated agent already worked on that file, so let me read the current state to see what it looks like and add the notify parent support.
Editing tools. Editing tools. Reading tools. Reading tools. Editing tools. Editing tools. Reading tools. Editing tools. Searching for notify parent. Editing agent registry.
2A is done. Now let me do 2B, the critical hallucination fix. This is in agent registry. Pi. Now rewrite on agent
Editing
completed.
agent registry.
Check notify parent flag, lean inbox message, no bridge injection. Now let me handle
Editing
1D session manager provider cleanup, 4A dead budget code, and 2G prompt update. Then I'll tackle the budget system. Now 4A,
Editing
remove dead
execution
pipeline
engine.
budget code. Now the Delegate prompt
Reading
update
delegate
2G.
prompts.
The prompt needs
Editing
updating to
delegate
reflect the new
prompts.
patterns. No more ~2,000 characters of output as completion summary, and add getChildren status and file-based introspection. Now update the
Editing
subagent section
delegate
to
prompts.
mention getChildren status and file-based introspection. Good. Now let me update the
Updating
status
task
on all
list,
the items
16
completed
items.
so far and tackle the budget system, 4B4E, which is the biggest remaining piece. Now the budget system.
Reading models.
This is the most
Searching for agent
architecturally
status.
significant remaining piece, 4B through 4E. Let me design and implement it.
Reading models.
First, I need to understand the current budget-related infrastructure. I need to add budget pause to agent status
Launching agent
and budget exceeded to
4B4E.
event type.
Cascading
Then
budget
build the
system.
cascading
Reading
budget
agent
tracking in the
registry.
agent registry. Let me delegate the budget system implementation since it touches multiple files.
Updating task list, 5 items. Editing models. Updating task list, 5 items. Editing events. Updating task list, 5 items. Editing agent registry. Editing agent registry. Updating task list, 5 items. Editing execution engine. Editing execution engine. Editing execution engine. Editing execution engine. Reading execution engine. Editing execution engine. Updating task list, 5 items. Editing tools. Updating task list, 5 items. Editing tools. Searching for is orchestrator.
All the delegated work landed
Searching for
cleanly.
budget pause
Let me
budget
verify the
exceeded
current state
budget
of
X.
all modified files to make sure nothing conflicts, then mark everything complete. Everything checks out. No
Searching
ICE
for get
orchestrator
children
references
status.
left
Get
in
children
execution
status.
engine.
Reading tools.
Pi no send user message injection in agent registry. Pi, only a docstring comment, budget paused, budget all good.
Searching
The
for
get children
delegate
status tool
names.
has conversation path, budget info, and status for each child. Let me now verify the delegate tool names has everything. Everything is wired. Let me
Updating
mark all
task
tasks
list,
complete.
16 items.
All 16 items are complete.